gonna start the process of turning these inexpensive sheets into wallpaper. I'm starting out with just some fabric scissors, a pin, and a straight edge, and I will be installing these using liquid starch, so follow along. For the record, I do plan on adding crown molding around this room, so I don't have to be super exact with the top. I'm taking the pattern into consideration, cutting this second panel to make sure that my pattern lines up. Today we're going to try to adhere these sheets to the wall using liquid starch. I'm going to pour this in a paint tray, use a roller to go directly over top of the sheets. Because these are nice and thin, it should soak through the sheets, help them adhere to the wall, create a nice little layer over top so that it's easy to wipe clean, and it should make it so that it's easy to peel off in the future if we change our minds. I am so happy with how this project turned out. I'll definitely be doing it again, and I would recommend using thin cotton sheets for this.